So we will move on to next topic, that is a sample class structure, how it looks like, and we'll see in real time or in a programmatic way how these keywords and identifiers are used in the program, or a simple class structure, how the simple class structure look like. For that we have to move on to editor tool, that is either you can use Eclipse or IntelliJ. So now I'm using IntelliJ. So I have already created a project called training project, and in which I have a src folder and main folder and test folder. Within that I have a Java package, Java folder, and I have created a sample package called sample package 1. Okay, so this is sample package 1 and this is a project. Okay, so we are going to create a class files under this sample package. So our very first Java file, we name it as sample demo. Okay, and we have defined it as a Java file, so it is a sample demo.java file. And you can also notice that sample demo is also a class name. Okay, so it is by default it is taking, and here if you observe, so sample demo is an identifier and public class is a keywords. They are the fixed words, they are the keywords, they are the predefined words. So that is what we learned in the previous topic. Okay, and these are the keywords and this is a identifier. So now let's define a sample variable and just print it out. Okay, so for that first we'll start with the main method, which is the initiator of the, or the starting point of the execution for a class. So we'll understand this in detail in the further classes, but as of now we'll start with the variable and keywords and identifiers. So I have a simple variable string mobile name, I call it as Samsung. Okay, and now we will print out this. Okay, so within the double quote we have to type if you want to print any text. And concatenate with the variable name which you want to, if you want to append it. Okay, so now okay, so this is the typo, it is just saying. Okay, you can also make it as, so as per your convenient. So that is what we call it as, right, as a identifier. So this is a variable name, this is a class name. So all these comes under identifier, and all the reserved words, that is public, static, void, main, public, class, so all these are keywords. Okay, so that is the difference which I wanted to show you. So now we will just execute the sample program. So basically what is the takeaway from this sample program you need to understand is, so this is a complete class structure which basically has a class declaration sample demo, and then we have a main method declared, and the string mobile name is equal to Samsung. So this is a variable declaration as well as initialization with the value name with the Samsung. And then we have a simple print statement where I am printing the mobile name variable value. So we'll just execute this to understand to understand this program. since we have changed the variable name, we forgot to change here. Okay, so build is successful, and now we can see the output of this program, that is my first mobile is Samsung. So in this example we learned about identifiers and identifiers and keywords.